Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Elias. Today, we continue our wood burning tutorial, and we will be burning a Christian symbol for today's project. Every art project should be enjoyable and magnificent, so sit back and enjoy it with me. And while you are here, would you mind pressing that subscribe button so I know that you like this type of content and it will help us to grow as a family. Thanks for the support on my previous videos, and welcome if you are new here. I can suggest not buying an expensive set if you are still learning like me. And I have a challenge for you all to type down what the meaning of this symbol. And now I will leave you with some background music to sit back and relax while watching. Here, I will use a varnish to seal the painting and keep it for longer, and it will have a shiny look. Usually, we use a brush to paint the varnish on, but mine went missing, so I am using my gloves instead. Thanks for checking in and watching. And I will see you soon. Take care. Love you all.